Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can manage fundraisers notification on Instagram. Maybe you wanted to know on how you can manage your fundraisers notification in Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can manage fundraisers notifications on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. After that, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then in here, you'll see here the profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll see here the three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, select Settings and Privacy. After that, you will see how you use Instagram. Tap on these notifications. And then in here, you will see the fundraisers. So to manage notification of your fundraisers, simply tap on these fundraisers. And then in here, you can manage your fundraisers notification or fundraisers from others. For example, you want to turn off your fundraisers, simply tap on this circle beside the off button. After that, as you can see, it's now on the turn off. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage fundraisers notifications, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage fundraisers notification on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.